What is up, guys? Crustus Crypto here, back in a video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I hope everyone is having a wonderful night out there. As you can see my face, I got a brand new camera lens. Hopefully it is way better than my last one. Let me know in the comment section down below. Let's get into this article in this video. So WARONRUGS, which was supposedly supposed to be a crypto scam watcher, right, who would call shitcoin scams or altcoin scams out, is actually a rug puller himself. So WARONRUGS, crypto scam watcher Twitter page with more than 150,000 followers, trusted by many people in guiding them about rug pulls, just pulled one of the biggest rug pulls with the coin FairMoon coin. While they're attacking other coins, they actively promote their own, and this morning they pulled the rug and made the last tweet that states, "Since we can't do anything and there isn't any regulation in place, I decided to do what I did so you understand that you should stop being a clown and aping in everything. Hopefully after this you don't trust anyone anymore, pending proper regulations. Goodbye, everyone." So this guy who tries to call out rug pulls and try to call out scams actually rug pulls himself. So this is kind of old news a day ago, and a lot of YouTubers already talked about it, but I want to talk about this more specifically, my opinion and what I think about stuff like this. But we'll get into that real quickly after I talk about a little bit more about this. So from Eric Cryptoman, it's official this time. WARONRUGS have officially gone rogue, confirmed by the FairMoon coin themselves. So FairMoon coin apparently didn't have nothing to even do with this. They gave him access to the burn wallet or whatever funds, and what he did with it, you know, they thought they could trust somebody like him who is credible and who has, you know, a following in the community and is somebody who wouldn't do this, but obviously he put it in the wrong hands and he rug pulled it. He sold it all for massive profit. So deployer/dev wallet is active right now. Shappy will update us when he is done. So Shappy is a WARONRUGS guy. And don't panic and don't trade fair right now. And obviously people should be panicking because they lost all their money. Liquidity is currently here. So he sold all the liquidity. Shappy has gone rogue and rugged the FairMoon project and Wrath, guys. So completely crazy. As you can see here, this is not his Twitter. His Twitter got removed, as well as every single other social media channel that he had. This dude took advantage of the username and said WARONRUGS wires back up, but this is not him, guys. This is a fake account. Somebody, some kid or somebody trying to take his Twitter account now and try to use it, or the name at least, because the Twitter account got taken down. So as you can see here, FairMoon's actually recovering. I mean, considering that you had this massive crash, massive sell-off, right? Massive rug pull. I don't think this is going to go back up. The market cap's only $861,000. So as you can see here, you're talking about a market cap that's not on here, but from what the market cap was, it completely crashed, guys. As you can see here, was at 0.005 cents and then 0.0001. So the coin got reduced to ashes. You're talking about $548,000 in trading volume and dropping to 100. So imagine a coin dropping by potentially 400%. Crazy stuff, guys. This is no joke. Can't make this up. FairMoon got rug pulled. So real quickly, I want to talk to you guys about what I think about this, right? Crypto is a wild west, and there definitely is a lot of things that are not regulated. But for me personally, when you have somebody who likes to scam others and take others' hard-earned money that they think is investments, to me that is the most messed up thing that anybody can ever do. This is why it's important, right, to not trust anybody. And you know, depending on what you feel about this, he did make a point if he actually said that you cannot trust anybody. But obviously when you have people who are hypocrites and claim that they care about the community by calling out scams and rug pulls, but behind the scenes he was actually rug pulling himself, promoting coins that he could make a lot of money on, to me that's messed up. That you gather a following, a large following at that, and then try to scam people, try to claim you're some kind of warrior for justice, and only to stab your own people in the back. So yeah, guys, I'm not a financial advisor, right? I always offer my opinions and my speculation on things for entertainment, but it's important that you guys cannot trust anybody. You have to make your own informed decisions, do your own research, especially when it comes to coins and projects. Sometimes you might not be able to see this coming from a mile away. Sometimes this happens and when you least expect it, but you need to at least say that you did your research and you take the chance, because you're all taking a risk. Now, like I said, this is completely uncalled for. I don't know why WARONRUGS decided to do this. He said he wanted to prove a point, but to me it's hypocrisy, and there's a lot of other scams like this, such as BitConnect and all that stuff, guys. So make sure you guys are doing your research, because look, as we stated with SAFEMOON, right, this coin was getting FUD from WARONRUGS. WARONRUGS was saying that this was a rug pull. They're saying that 50% of the wallet or whatever was owned by the devs, and that they're going to rug pull it, but no, it was all the burn wallet, right? But as you can see here, SAFEMOON is holding strong, sitting at $4 billion market cap. It's, you know, on the recovery today, such as everything else, up 25%. You know what I'm saying, guys? I don't hold any SAFEMOON right now, but the fact is they try to call a coin like SAFEMOON out, saying it is FUD and that it's a rug pull, but obviously it is not. The developers came out and talked about it. So because it led to a massive price decrease because of this FUD, but as you can see here, it's stabilized and now it might be taken off again. A lot of celebrities are talking about this. Is the most #1 coin on watch list. So as you can see here, there's nothing that can destroy SAFEMOON now. They're on the run up, and we'll see how far it goes. But let me know what you guys think about that, guys, in the comment section below. I love you guys. Please like, comment, subscribe. It helps support the channel. Hope you guys have a wonderful day or night wherever you are, and I'll see you guys in the next video.